Let's create and display your Instagram feed on your Shopify store. On the Manage Feeds page, click Create New Feed and select Instagram as your source. In Step 1, choose and arrange media. You'll see all your Instagram posts. Click Tag Product on any post to make it shoppable. You can tag multiple products per post to maximize sales opportunities. Move to Step 2. Customize feed settings. Choose your layout type: grid, slider, highlight, or Coverflow. Watch the live preview on the right to see exactly how it'll look on mobile and desktop devices. Under Media Settings, choose what happens when customers tap posts. Check Show Like and Comment Counts, and Show Caption to build social proof. Select Post Ratio: 1:1 for Square, 4:5 for Portrait, or 9:16 for Stories. In the heading section, you have two choices. Select Custom Text to write your own title like "Follow us on Instagram," or choose Instagram Account Information to automatically show your profile avatar, account name, follow button, and follower counts. In Spacing, adjust the gap between your heading and posts. Space between individual posts, and add top and bottom padding for perfect alignment. In Advanced Settings, choose transparent or colored backgrounds. Enable video autoplay when posts appear for engaging content. Check Show Stories Carousel at top to feature Instagram stories. Add custom CSS for unique styling. Check the box Apply Mobile Settings for Desktop to use the same design on both devices, or uncheck it to create a unique desktop experience with different layouts. Headings and spacing. For desktop, you get additional video autoplay options. None for no autoplay, when posts appear for automatic play, or when hovering over a post for interactive engagement. Under Media Overlay, choose what appears when customers hover, show Instagram logo, or show content details. Use the preview tabs to see exactly how your feed looks on both mobile and desktop devices. Make sure everything appears perfect before going live. Click Save to apply all your changes. A modal will appear with your unique feed ID. Copy this ID, then click Preview on Theme for OS 2.0 themes. In your theme editor, find the Instagram feed section and paste your feed ID. Your beautiful, shoppable Instagram feed will appear instantly. Click Save to publish. Then View to see the live result on your storefront. Congratulations! Your Instagram feed is now live and driving sales on your Shopify store. Customers can browse, engage, and purchase directly from your social content. Thank you for watching our video.